Hello and welcome to the online tutorial for the Corpsman Cache Manager. The CCM is a tool with which a geocacher can manage his whole geocaching life from downloading to logging. In this video I show you how to work with the databases and import-export caches. To create a new database, select File, New Database, enter a name and click OK. The actual selected database is prompted in the caption. To select a other database, select File, Load Database, select the database you want and click OK. To delete a database, select File, Delete Database and click Yes, then select an existing database or create a new one. To import manual downloaded caches, Pocket Query zip files or GSAK GPX files, select File Import Directory, choose the options and click OK. Best way to download Pocket Query is by using a script. This must be created once. Select Edit Script Editor. Give the script a name. Select Import Directory. Choose the folder $import or click the options and then Add Step. After import caches, all caches that have been not actualized will be selected. This gives you the ability to archive them. Click Mark Selection as Archived and then Add Step. Close the dialog. To download Pocket Queries, select File, Download Pocket Queries, click the Load Pocket Query List button. Select the Pocket Queries you want to import. Check both checkboxes and select the Import into Actual Database script. Click Download and wait until process is finished. To download a cache via GC code, select File, Download by GC code, type in the GC code and click OK. If you want to import caches from GSAK, tell the sender to use the shown options while exporting. To import them into the CCM, select File, Create Database from GSAK, select the file, and give a new database name. To copy or move caches from one database to another, open the source database, select the caches you want to copy or move. Click Selection, Copy or Move Selection to Other Database. Choose the destination database and click OK. One special feature of CCM is to select a cut set of caches to other databases. To do this, click Selection, select Cut Set to Other Database. Select the other database and click OK. This feature is useful if you have a separate database full of solved mysteries, and you want to refresh a newly created database with the cache finals. To export caches, select them. Then click Selection, choose Export as Groundspeak Pocket Query or GPX. Enter a file name and click OK. It is also possible to export some cache informations to Excel. To do this, click Selection, Export as CSV file. Choose the columns you want to export and click on Export. Enter a file name and click OK. That's it, you now can work with databases and caches. To learn more about CCM, see my other CCM related videos. Thanks for watching this video. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it or post a comment.